Hey everyone, I'm Devika and welcome to a new episode on our channel, and today we are looking at the best answer to a very popular interview question. So if you have ever attended an interview, I'm sure you would have faced this question, which is, what is your weakness? And this question is something that can be the deciding factor whether you get the dream job of yours or not. So if you want to know what is the best answer that you can give when asked this question, then stay tuned and keep watching this video. So the question, what is your weakness, can sound to be a very simple question, but the answer to this question can get really complicated. So before going into what is the best answer to this question, let me begin by letting you know the two processes or the two stages that gets into the hiring process from the recruiter's perspective. Now the recruiter keeps in two stages. Okay, the first one is meeting the requirements, and the second stage is the elimination process. Now, if you have been called for an interview, then there is a high possibility that you have already met the first criteria, which is meeting the requirements. So you have most likely met the job requirements and therefore you have been called for the interview. Now comes in the second stage, which is the elimination stage. Okay, now why do I call this the elimination stage? Now, say there is just one open position for a job. Okay, and say there have been 20 applicants, 20 possible candidates. Now the recruiter can hire just one, and the recruiter is looking for the best candidate to be hired. So how do you think the recruiter is going to decide who is the best candidate? And that is where this elimination stage or the elimination process comes in. The elimination process has been designed to make you give recruiters a reason that they can use to eliminate you from the interview process or from the hiring process. Okay, so the elimination process is going to help the recruiters decide which candidates should be eliminated and which is that ideal candidate who should be hired for that open one position. Okay, so this question, what is your weakness, can serve as the deciding factor, and what you answer to this question can also serve as a reason that the recruiters can use to decide whether they wish to hire you or not. So when we get this question, most of us tend to give a very set common answer because we take the question very literally and we actually want to give out true answers. So we end up saying things like, I'm very short-tempered and that is my weakness. Or you might just say that I get violent with people whom I don't get along with. Or you might just say I can't work under pressure. Or you can say I'm not that good with managing deadlines. So if you're giving out these answers, you're actually giving the recruiter a very strong reason to eliminate you during this elimination stage. So you need to frame your answer in such a way that the recruiter likes your answer, likes you as a person, and hires you. So now coming to what that best answer is. So I'm going to give you the best answer and use it right away the next time somebody asks you what is your weakness during the interview process. So when you get this question, what is your weakness, frame your answer this way. I set very high standards for each assignment given to me. So sometimes this attitude of mine doesn't get along that well with my other teammates, but I have sorted this out through open communication, and I see that with proper communication, I can get all the teammates onto the same page and thereon take the task smoothly and make it reach completion. So I just gave you the answer to the question, what is your weakness? So this is supposed to be the best answer. And did you notice one thing? When I gave you this answer actually answers the question, what is your weakness? But this has a hidden strength. Okay, so when you give answers to questions like what is your weakness, always ensure that there's a hidden strength in it. So this particular answer firstly gave out the weakness, that is, you set very high standards for each assignment, and according to you, that is a weakness. Then when you said that this sometimes doesn't get along that well with your teammates, you actually told the recruiter what the consequences of that weakness of yours can be. And then when you said that you believe that through open communication this can be sorted, you told the recruiter that you know how you handle your weakness. And then when you said that through open communication you get all your teammates onto the same page and make the project reach completion, you told the recruiter that you know how to handle your weakness and you make it work. You make the weakness convert into a strength and solve it and make each assignment or each project reach completion. With this kind of an answer, you just did not give out a weakness, but you told the recruiter what you think your weakness is. You told the recruiter how you manage your weakness. You told the recruiter how you convert your weakness into your strength. So this way the recruiter is going to be extremely impressed, and I'm sure you land your dream job with this answer. So I hope with this video you found the right answer, or in fact the best answer to the most popular interview question that we often get stuck with, which is what is your weakness. So next time you head for an interview, make sure you frame your answer to what is your weakness in this manner. And if you struggle with any more questions, any more answers for these kind of interview questions, do leave those in the comment sections. I'll take them up in another future video as well. And today's video, I'll wrap it up here, and until next time, see you soon. Take care of yourselves. Thank you for watching today's video, and yes, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it so that you continue receiving notifications of all our upcoming videos. So until next time, see you all soon. Bye bye. Take care.